So let's start and compare the two smartwatches. The P78, this is the latest, and we have here the P81. Before we check on the design, let's check first the packaging. As you can see, they almost have the same style, except for that the P78 do have a much wider package or box compared to the P81. So the length of the P81 is a bit longer than the P78 here. Okay, although they have, as you can see, they almost have the same size here. For the specs here and features at the back, so both do have a Bluetooth call. As you can see here, almost the same. Yes, it is the same, except that we do have here an LED flashlight for the P78. It has a built-in LED flashlight. Other than that, the features are almost the same here. At the back, we do have here the specifications. 1.9 with a 240 by 284 pixel resolution for our P81. So IPS LCD. While for our Colmi P78, we do have a 410 by 502 pixel resolution. So it is more premium with its AMOLED screen display. IP68 for our P81, IP67 for our P78. Both smartwatches do have a support for iOS 9.0 and Android 5.0 and above. Okay, we don't have the details for the battery here, but we have here on our P81 300 mAh battery. Okay, so both do have a beautiful looking design, sporty looking smartwatch. Okay, for the design, as you can see here, let's change the watch face here so we can see the black border. The P81 do have a much wider black border on the bottom part, but left and right, just the same here. Then on the bottom part, on the top, so the same slim black border. Okay, here for the P81, it's a bit wider. If we change this, let's see. Okay, which has a much better screen display. Of course, this one will have an AMOLED, while this one has an IPS. Much brighter for our AMOLED screen display here. Both do have a crown button here. For our P81, it's not rotating crown button, while for our P78, it is rotary. Both do have a sporty look. We do have a built-in flashlight here for our P78. We don't have it here for our P81. So both do have a pogo pin, magnetic charging. So here's the speaker, quick release pin. You almost have the same. Let's see. Okay, so the length of the P78 here is much longer compared to our P81. Let's check. Okay, for the thickness, (10.8) for our P81. So we have 10.7. So just minimal difference here, almost the same. Okay, for the weight, let's check. This is our P81. Okay, so let's check the P81. Turn it on. Set it to 00. Okay, let's check. So we have, okay, let's set it properly so we can have an exact measurement. So it is around 34.43, so around 35 grams. Okay, so while for the P78, I guess it's around 40 plus. due to its built-in flashlight, LED flashlight. So yes, it is around 40 grams, 39, including the strap. Okay, so 39 grams. Okay, for the design again, let's have a closer look side by side. So here's the design of both smartwatches. So I like the design here of our P78. It's much more elegant. The P81 here looks like one of the model of the Elon GTS first version. Minimalist looking, much smaller body frame. Okay, again, so which is better in terms of design? Again, what we have here is an LED flashlight. Okay, let me show it to you. Okay, so we do have an LED flashlight. Okay, so for those of you who like to have a built-in flashlight on a smartwatch, we do have here the P78 with an affordable price. Okay, so we are done with the design. Let's go now with the features offered for both wearables. So on top we have here the settings and other options. For our P81 we do have the same options here. Okay, settings. On the bottom part we have the notifications. Yep, the same. We do have the notifications. On the left side we have the menus. About here we have the menus also in other popular apps. Left side or right side we do have the widgets. We have the different widgets here. Okay, next, for the menus, just press or just swipe again. Here, let's see. Swipe, then press this one. Okay. So we have here the different menus and features. So we have activity tracking. Okay, so the same position here for the menus. We have the heart rate, phone call, exercise. So the same name or terminologies here. Exercise records, blood pressure, SpO2. We have the stress monitoring, weather. As you can see here, this one is much better when it comes to screen display. Shutter, layer. Okay, so we have an AI voice here. We don't have it here. We have relaxation, timer, alarm, stopwatch, find phone. We have a world clock, but we don't have it here. Both do have a cycle tracking. So we have a flashlight here. And seems like we don't have a calculator here on our P78. So if you want a smartwatch with a calculator, the P81 do have a calculator. We don't have it here on our P78. So that is sad, as the calculator is very useful, especially when it comes to smartwatches. I've used it several times already in my other smartwatches. Again, so here are the menus and features. We do have the activity tracking, sleep monitoring, heart rate. Let's see if they have the same UI. Okay, so different. We have the exercise. Let's see for the exercise function. Walking, running, cycling, skipping, cycling, basketball. Both do have a comprehensive list of sports functions here, as you can see. Add sports. I think they have the same number of sports functions. Okay, we have winter sports here. So the same list, as you can see here. Okay, so when it comes to offered features, they almost have the same functionalities, except that the P81 has a calculator and a world clock and games. We don't have it here on our P78. We don't have a calculator, we don't have a world clock as well as games, but we do have here an AI voice and of course the built-in LED flashlight, which the P81 don't have this feature. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review of our P81 versus our P78 smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the comparison review, drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Like, share, and subscribe.